Concerned about how you're even going to make money as a travel agent, open up your new travel business? Well, today we're going to talk about two major ways that you can make money immediately as a travel agent in your new travel business. My name is Sundey Gardner and I am your online travel boss. The first way that you make money in your travel business is through travel supplier paid commissions. When you book hotel or air or activities at a travel supplier's accommodations, you usually get paid a commission. That could be anywhere from 5%, 3%, all the way up to 40%, depending on the negotiated rate between you and the travel supplier. If you're working with the host agency, then it'll be the negotiated rate between the host agency and you, and your percentage split between them. So most travel businesses are making the majority of their revenue through commissions. The other way that we're going to talk about today to make revenue in your business is through service fees. Most travel businesses are making less than 10% of their total revenue through service revenue fees. However, you have a great opportunity through your creativity and the niche that you are in to make that greater than 10%, upwards to 20, 30, 40, and even greater depending on your model. But here are some examples of service-based fees that you can charge in your business based on how you set it up. One of them is through travel consulting fees. So if you operate as a travel consultant, and that would be somebody who provides consulting or expert recommendations, feedback, information about destinations, locations, culture, anything relative to the destination or location or trip that someone is planning, that could be considered consulting fees. For example, if you are planning a trip for a company and they are sending over their employees maybe for a conference, and you could provide consulting fees, charge consulting fees to teach the employees on the cultural considerations that they need to have when, let's say, visiting Dubai, if that's your specialty. Another service fee that you can charge is research fees. So if you are charging, you have requests for quotes for destinations, vacations, large or small, you can charge a small, upwards of $10, $15, up to hundreds of dollars for your research fee, depending on the number of people, the destination, the special requirements that the group may have. You have the opportunity to charge whatever fee that you want based on the value that you're providing to your customers. My recommendation is to be creative here, and don't forget your time is of value and people are paying for your expertise. That does not come for free. It does not come for free for you acquiring the knowledge required for you to be the expert in your specific niche, so charge for it. So my question is, are you currently charging fees in your business? And if so, what type of service fees are you charging in your business? Leave a comment below and I'll respond with the types of service fees and the amounts that I would recommend based on the niche that you've got. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more information on the travel business and how you can start and operate a successful travel business.